What's going on YouTube? I'm Shreyas from Team Bodybuilding India. So guys, today's question comes from Suraj Kumar. So he tells me that he's a vegetarian and he wants to build rock hard muscle. So can he build rock hard muscle? And the simple answer is yes. All the vegetarians out there who have a bad misconception that they can't build muscle without eating meat, just watch this video guys. I'll tell you how you can build muscle. So the first thing that I would like to tell you all the vegetarians out there is keep your workout short and intense. By short and intense I mean to say that do not work out in the gym in a day for more than 45 minutes. The simple reason for that being when you work out your muscle will absorb all the nutrients in the form of proteins and other sources to lift those weights. So as a vegetarian it won't be easy for you to eat lots of beans and other sources of proteins that come from veggies. So you should keep in mind that your body will require nutrients to lift those weights. So if you work out in the gym for about 2 hours like those meat eaters do, meat eaters get proteins easily from their meat guys. It's not the same case for you vegetarians. So keep your workout short and intense. You will get the same amount of muscle growth as those other people who work out for 2 hours. So don't worry about that. So keep your workout short and intense. So the next thing that I would like to tell you will be first track your calories, not your proteins and carbohydrates. So unlike other meat eaters who will get those calories easily, for vegetarians it's not that easy. So keep in mind when you wake up in the morning, just the first aim must be to get all those calories required for you to build muscle. Then you should go after those proteins and carbohydrates. I know that proteins and carbohydrates are important, but still calories are the most important if you want to build muscle. You should take at least 200 more calories than the calories required for you to maintain your weight if you want to build muscle. So calories is another important thing if you want to build muscle. So these are the two things that you must be doing different from those normal meat eating bodybuilders. So let me tell you some of the best sources of proteins if you want to build muscle as a vegetarian. So guys, first of all I would like to tell you that there are two types of vegetarians. Some people eat animal byproducts like egg, soy protein and all, but others just completely avoid that. As I find those kinds of people in India who completely avoid animal byproducts. So for them the best source of protein will be tofu, beans, kidney beans, black beans and all those beans that come, all those things that come under beans category. So beans will be a good one, tofu will be a good one, soya will be a good one, soya bean. Many of the people in India might know what is soya bean. So soya bean, tofu, beans, lentils, then what else? You can also have whey protein powder, all protein supplements guys. You can't eat this much beans in a day, so you can have whey protein supplements, and you can also have soy protein supplements, and you can have egg whites if you are allowed to have egg whites. So it is not a bad thing being vegetarian guys. You can lead a healthy lifestyle with being a vegetarian. So these were some of the sources of proteins. And one more thing guys, stay away from people who tell that you can't build muscle being a vegetarian. That's completely bullshit. So you can build muscle if you are a vegetarian. So the main two things that you should keep in mind is to keep your workouts short and intense so that your body does not absorb and your muscles do not absorb all the nutrients that you have already consumed during the day. So keep your workout short and intense, and if you are confident of getting more amount of protein from your food, then you can work out for 1.5 or 2 hours. It completely depends on your diet guys. So if you are having 3 to 4 scoops of whey protein daily, it doesn't matter if you work out for half an hour or 2 hours. So keep your workout short and intense. And the second important thing will be you should track your calories. You should first thing that should be in your mind will be your calories. First try to take enough calories so that you can build muscle. So another thing would be eat lots of vegetables and fruits. Fruits and vegetables, as you know, contains vitamins, minerals and good nutrients. So keep that in mind. Have lots of vegetables and fruits in your diet. So guys, I hope you got some information from this video. If that was the case, then please like this video and let more people know about my channel. So this is it guys, that's the end of the video, and I'll be back again. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching my videos for the first time and you like it, please do subscribe to this channel. There is a subscribe button just below this video in the description box, so you can subscribe to my channel down here. So that is it guys, I'll be back again. Stay fit, eat healthy, take care, train hard. Goodbye.